What is there? Begin. You see the fun.
Of all the four pillars of sinful activities,
Hmm?
meat eating the worst.
Everything is worst. Sinful is sinful. Disease is disease. This body, either it is living or it is dead. It is not very important thing. That's it. And the whole world is after this body. Krishna says the body either dead or alive. Huh? It is not a subject matter for serious consideration. Now see, and what the world is going on. Simply for bodily. Body means senses. It is very difficult for the Western people to understand that body is not important thing, the soul is important. First of all, they do not know what is soul. And then consideration of importance. This is their position. And if one cannot understand what is soul, what he will understand about God? Soul is a minute particle of God. If one cannot understand about this minute particle, then what he will understand of the Supreme? In the laboratory, if you can test a little sample, just like take a little seawater, analyze, chemically test, then you can understand what is the composition of the seawater. But if you have no knowledge, even a small drop of seawater, how you understand the sea water? That is their position. They do not understand even the sample of spirit soul, as we are. Simply they are trying to cover it. There is no soul, there is no soul. Life is generated from matter, although they cannot prove it. A fool's paradise. The fools, rascals, they are explaining the living force in some way, and other fools are accepting. This is the position of Western countries, Europe and America. It is a fool's paradise. It is paradise certainly. Very, very big building and advancement, but all rascals and fools. Fool's paradise. And if you call a fool, he'll be angry. Mukkhaya upadeshahi prakupayana sante. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare.
So much production, but if nature's like, it can stop this production. Then the question of overpopulation. And the nature likes it, can produce 3 times, 4 times this production. Prakriti kriyamana gunai karamani. After all, nature is producing. We do not know how to deal with nature. Therefore, there is scarcity. And we say overpopulation. There is no question of overpopulation. There are so many hundreds and thousands of birds within this forest, other animals. They have no problem of overpopulation. Huh? All these men who are living in these villages, so what is their means of livelihood? Agriculture, industry, or service?
I think mostly they work in some, well, there's some service, yes.
Factory.
Employed in some factory, but very few people actually work on the land. Well, we can see so much land, no one's working. Because by machine they can work so quick on the land.
This should be exemplary. Because our community shall live in this way and save time for spiritual advancement of life. That this example should be shown to the whole world. That here is a community, they have no problem and they are simply interested in Krishna consciousness. This will be the idea.
Mm-hmm.
Is it possible?
Yes.
Yes. They do not do any industry, they do not kill cows, they do not go to cinema, they do not have illicit sex, they don't drink, no problem. Simply they are eating very nicely and chanting Hare Krishna. Show this example. At least in this fool's paradise. They are thinking it is paradise. And the paradise is lost every 10 years or 15 years by the bombing. German bombs the France and the France bombs. This is their paradise. So let them understand that you are all fools, it is peace. You are fool's paradise. This is life, what we are doing. Teach them. So that the fools will understand what is life. They are manufacturing atom bomb. Russia is and hiding himself.
Now they found out through the Prabhupada that India has been, over the past few years, spending crores of rupees to develop the...
And people are starving for want of.
Yeah.
There was a cartoon that some public came to some minister, said, we are starving, give us our food. So the reply was, of course that's a problem, food problem, but I can assure you that from next week you'll have television. These rascals are like that. From next week you'll have television. Atom bomb. Never mind, starve. So that is also becoming fool's paradise. Jara vidya sab mayar bhuibhav. In this way, the more we increase sense gratification by advancement of material, the more we forget Krishna. And the more we forget Krishna, we are more fools. Don't come so near.
In England and America now, more and more there is a big movement for birth control and contraceptives
Yeah.
as their means to conquer over the so-called overpopulation problem.
No, it is not overpopulation. They don't want to take care of children. This is their problem. It is not the question of overpopulation. They want to remain free and enjoy life. That's all. No responsibility. That is the hippies.
Yeah.
That is the hippie movement.
I have seen in all the big colleges and universities in England that I have been to that this amongst the students, boys and girls, is becoming so free. It is just like a hippie commune, universities and colleges.
Yeah. They are indebted in so many ways, therefore human beings should be responsible. But the modern civilization is teaching to become irresponsible.
Where? On the sun.
So suppose if your heat increases,
Yeah.
what happens to you?
I get sick.
That's all. Samudvigna, always full of anxiety. Sada samudvigna dhyam, intelligence is always observed. Hey, enemy may not have, let me discover this atom bomb, this will save me, this will save me. This is that. Sada samudvigna dhyam asadgraha. Why this anxiety? Because they have accepted something false as truth. Sadgraha. They have accepted sense gratification is the truth. Indriyani pararahu. Indriyani means senses. Para, supreme. This is supreme. And then, if somebody is little advanced, Indriya bhav paramana, then the mental speculators, psychologists, philosophers, another better class of rascal. This is the third class rascal, and they are second class rascal. Indrani pararahu, Indriya bhav paramana, manasastu para buddhi, then the intelligent class. They consider, what is this nonsense? They are also familiar. In this way, one who becomes actually intelligent, wise, then he understands Krishna is everything. Bhunam janmanavanti jnanavan man prabhu. So that highest position we are giving by Krishna consciousness. We are not training them to be first class fool, second class fool, third class. No, first class intelligence. Krishna je bhaje sevara chatu. Without being first class intelligent man, nobody can take to Krishna consciousness. Drink everything. Why the fight? What is the cause? You suppose father gives all necessities of life to the children, why they should fight? Simply ignorance and foolishness, that's all. Where is the cause of fighting? Basically, Pandavas, to settle up their misunderstanding, Krishna said, all right, they are Kshatriyas, they cannot take up the occupation of Vaishya or Shudra. Give them 5 villages so that they will be happy. They rule over each one on the village. No, sir, not the piece of land holding the tip of the needle can be spared without fighting. This is the world. The German war, First World War, what is the cause? The cause was that the Britishers will not allow the Germans to trade all over the world. They captured everything. And they will purchase from Germany goods and cheat people made in London and sell it and 15 times higher than the German. This was their business. And that was the cause of, is it not? Those who have studied history, this is the cause. So all this nonsense thing can be solved if we take it. This is Krishna's property. And if you know something, you are manifest, that's all right, you do it. I do something else. Or even if I do it, what is the cause of fighting? Because they do not know what is Krishna.